Bam. Check it out. J series. Completely sealed. Took about 1.5 days. You know what I'm saying? 1.5 days. I'm gonna give you a little insight of what I've done. I epoxied about that much into the sleeve. So like that, we have support from the lower part of the sleeve to about a little bit more than what the line is. I had to make sure. I want to make sure the sleeve stays cool at all times. Very important. I epoxied that. I filled it with sand. Then I epoxied the top. I just put a little. I used my infamous block guard right on them. If you can see real good, they counterfeit about exactly what I said. 1/16 of an inch. They snap right in. Little finagling, not too bad. If you're smart enough how to do it, you can get it done. But that's what the block guard looks like. Set up. I made it happen so everybody can check it out. You know what I'm saying? Block guard for J's. Rated over plus 1,000. We're gonna be testing this soon. It's gonna be an all motor nightmare. So stay tuned.